What's up guys and welcome to a new video. Testosterone is the one and only male hormone that is responsible for things like hair growth, getting muscles and also feeling good as well. And basically if your testosterone level drops, which can actually be caused by many different things, you will just feel bad and have a much harder time to build muscles as well. And that's why I created today's video to show you 9 things that will simply lower your testosterone levels so you can protect your T levels at all costs. But before we're going to start with today's video, take a quick second guys and smash the like and subscribe button down below. Become part of the family so I can help you out with daily videos to become your best version ever. So definitely make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity. Alright, let's start with the first one, which is soy. Eating a lot of soy can actually lead to a higher level of the female hormone estrogen and therefore a lower level of testosterone. But actually it is not 100% scientifically proven. But I would still recommend that you keep your soy intake balanced or even let your T levels be checked if you eat a lot of soy just to be safe. Let's continue with number 2, hormones in meat. If you eat a lot of meat, especially the kind of meat that you can find in your grocery stores, that is literally packed full with hormones, you are more likely to suffer from lower testosterone levels. Instead, I would definitely recommend that you lower your meat consumption, and if you eat meat, invest in high quality organic one, so you can actually prevent yourself from getting low T levels. Let's continue with number 3, beer. Even a moderate alcohol consumption is said to reduce the T levels by up to 10%. But beside that, especially drinking beer can have a really bad impact on your testosterone levels, simply because it contains hops, which has estrogen-like property. So if you want to have high T levels, make sure that you reduce your alcohol and especially beer intake. Let's continue with number 4, stress. Stress is responsible for many bad things and one of them is decreasing your T levels. So always make sure if you deal with a lot of stress to balance it with stress reducing activities like working out or going for a walk. Let's continue with number 5, sugar. Actually any kind of sugar in massive amounts is said to reduce your testosterone levels. It is even proved by a study, if you eat more than 75 grams of sugar per day, it can reduce the testosterone levels by up to 25%. Number 6, refined carbs. Foods like for example white bread, cookies, crackers. Yes, they taste amazing, but when you eat those kind of foods your insulin level will spike, which can actually lead to a lower production of testosterone. So only eat them in a very moderate amount, so you can protect your T levels from decreasing. Let's continue with number 7, a lack of sleep. One of the worst things that you can do to your body is not sleeping enough. And actually one of the consequences is that it can lower your T levels. So always make sure to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Number 8, flax seeds. On the one side, flax seeds are amazing for your health because they contain a lot of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. But on the other side, flax seeds are loaded full with lignans. And the problem is that lignans are high estrogenic, which simply means that eating them can lead to an increased production of the female hormone estrogen and therefore lead to a reduction of the male hormone testosterone. I would personally still recommend to implement them into your diet, as they also have many incredible benefits. But you should definitely eat them in a moderate amount so that it will not affect your T levels. And finally, number 9, having a low carb diet. Your body needs all the nutrients in order to function properly. Especially for your testosterone production, it is very important. So make sure that you provide enough protein, fats and carbs as well. And if you're doing a low carb diet, just stop it. And provide your body with all the nutrients that it needs. And that's basically it for today's video. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Also guys, make sure to check the description of this video because I linked all of my favorite hair care, skin care and also supplements below, so you can directly see what's good. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.